Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Tailscale, a super simple VPN solution that lets you securely connect your Linux machines without dealing with complex firewall rules or port forwarding, whether you're accessing a home server, a remote workstation, or just want a secure connection. Tailscale makes it effortless. Let's get started. Tailscale is built on top of WireGuard, but unlike traditional VPNs, you don't need to configure complex servers or ports. It creates a private, encrypted network between your devices, whether you're on Linux, Windows, Mac OS, or even your phone. So go to the Tailscale website and copy this one command. So this command right here is just a quick way to install Tailscale on Linux, and what it does is first download Tailscale's official install script from their website using curl, and then it immediately runs that script in your shell. The script figures out which Linux distro you're running, sets up the right repository, and installs the Tailscale client automatically. It's basically a shortcut, so you don't have to do all the manual steps yourself. Once installed, you can start Tailscale with the command provided. The first time you run this, it will give you a link to log in with your Google, Microsoft, or GitHub account. Open that link in your browser, sign in, and your device is now part of your private Tailscale network. But I want my Ubuntu machine to be an exit node, so I will extend this command to this. An exit node in Tailscale is basically a device that acts like a VPN gateway for your other devices. Normally, Tailscale only routes traffic between your devices, peer-to-peer. But if you enable an exit node, you can send all your internet traffic through one device, like your Linux machine at home. This is useful if you're on public Wi-Fi and want a secure connection. You want your traffic to appear as if it's coming from your home network. Good for accessing region-specific sites. Log in with your Google, Microsoft, or GitHub account. Once logged in, your Linux machine will appear in your Tailscale admin panel. Let me make this machine as an exit node. You can disable key expiry. If you disable key expiry, your device's key will never expire. That means it stays connected to your Tailscale network indefinitely. No need to re-log in. This is super handy for servers, Raspberry Pi devices, or home lab machines that you want online all the time. This machine will be your exit node, for example, a server or your computer at home. Now let's set up a second device, like a Windows laptop you use while traveling or at work. All you have to do is download and install the Tailscale app for Windows. Sign in using the same account. As you can see, the Windows machine is now added. You are now connected. I can now SSH into my Ubuntu Linux home machine over Tailscale, even if I am on a completely different network in a different country or town. No port forwarding, no public IP needed. I will just use the Tailscale IP assigned to the Ubuntu machine. And that's it. You now know how to install and use Tailscale on Linux to securely connect all your devices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux and networking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.